Hello, I'm going to participate in the hashtag Paugust art. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but well, it's a beautiful word and it has something to do with animals. So I'm going to draw an animal. But that hashtag event is a part of the Creative Arts collaboration group on Facebook. Last year I did also participate in the same event, August Art. So I thought it would be nice to do it again. I'm going to draw a little bird. I have to look for it. This little bird I found on the internet. So, and I made yesterday I made a little art journal with watercolor paper, aquarelle paper, watercolor paper. So I'm going to, the first page is going to be that little bird. I will speed up the video and I hope you enjoy watching.